It's on.
Oh, AJ, I got a
going.
tree coming down on my garage right now.
There it goes. Actually, I think the garage is okay.
Oh my God.
They over there asleep. We're down to the last piece of wood. We need some help. Where you at in Dallas, Texas?
Oh, this is ice. Can I go up there and toss it back up? I don't want to. Oh my god! Oh my god, well, what the fuck? There goes our house.
Please help Texans. IDK what I'm doing. FCK this. I did not sign up for this.
Look at that. That is not good, guys. And what we are doing, we're gonna get cold as fuck for a reason. And we're gonna wipe it all down. You guys see how deep this stuff is? Like, oh my God. All right, we got a little spot cleared off so we can step on here and then get on the trampoline. Oh my God, it's so bad. We are officially in the trampoline right now. This is how deep it is. It's going way past my feet. And we're gonna get it all out. Oh my God, this is bad. Okay, we're bouncing. Guys, we have a major problem. I got to the bottom. Oh my God, it just broke. I don't know if that was the ice or the trampoline, but it just broke. We got to the bottom and there's ice at the bottom. Oh my God, guys, we got the ice. That's how thick the ice is between the ice and the trampoline. And we have to get through all this snow just to get to the ice. Look at that, that's a trampoline right there. Look how thick this ice is.
It's slippery. It's real slippery. Oh, but I'm catching myself real nice. Okay. If any, I really can't get up now. Okay. Okay. All right.
So that's the inside of the window. Again, the inside. Straight eye.
Oh my gosh. I am like actually can't even open my door.
You're here. Can you come get closer to over here for your hair?
Alright, should I try it? Should I try it?
Yeah, try it.
Hey, flip it back. Flip it back. Come over here.
This is great! Should you take a picture of us? Yeah, wait. Okay, let me stop it. He's waiting for me. Okay. Mama's here. Mama's here. Mama's here. Mama's here. Look at it.